Today we're going to demonstrate how to make wasabi using a powdered horseradish mix. Now, this is a very simple process. We're going to be using 1 cup of powdered horseradish, and we'll use 3/4 of a cup water. The 75% amount of water, that of which we use powder. I'm going to remove the powder to a bowl. We'll add water. Then we'll use some chopsticks and mix well. Now our wasabi is ready for use. This is a consistency we've found acceptable for use, but this is not a set consistency. You can use however much water you want to have it be lighter or firmer. This is our preferred consistency.